Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing great as always. So, this is Nidhi and you are watching my channel. Today I am going to make upma. This is very nutritious, tasty and very easy to make. Watching my recipe without stopping. So, let's start. I have taken 3/4 cup of rava which I cleaned very well, 1 tablespoon ghee, 1 onion I chopped in small pieces, 1 big tomato which has been finely chopped. I have been taken 3 tablespoon carrot which is very finely chopped also, frozen peas, 2 green chilies which I chopped, and I have taken coriander leaves and I washed and kept them chopped. Here I have taken 7 or 8 cashews nuts which I kept after frying a little bit. You can also a cashew without frying, it is an your option. I have taken a salt. Yeah, I have taken a salt according to a taste. You can also take it according to your taste. Here I have taken a little mustard seeds. Firstly, I have taken a pan. Now I will put ghee in the pan. Now I will heat ghee properly. If you make it in cold, then everything remains raw. So that's why I will wait to heat it. Now I will also check ghee whether it is well heated or not. Yeah, it's all okay. Now I will put mustard seeds in it, which I told will heat it well. Then I will take care that it is does not remain raw. Yeah, now I will put green chili in it and leave it to roast well. Now I will add onion that I had cut and roast it. It will take 5 minutes to roast. After roasting onion, now I will add tomatoes to it and fry tomatoes too for only 2 minutes. Now I will add frozen pea in it. I will put the chopped carrot that I had taken. Now I will mix all these things well. It does not take much time to make upma. It just required more ingredient which are very healthy for kids and healthy for everyone. Nice stirring it. Now I will put water in it. I have taken 2 glasses of water in it. Now I will add salt according to taste and I will mix salt well so that all vegetable get cooked quickly. It takes twice as much water as you take rava. Like if you have taken 1 cup of rava, then you add 2 cups of water because rava has much absorbed water. So now I will check whether a vegetable is cooked well or not. If the vegetable have remained raw, then cook it for some more time, but it has cooked. Now I will put rava in it. Whenever you add rava, keep stirring it with a spoon and pour rava on top. You see how I put rava in it. Now keep stirring it for 5 minutes. The rava will absorb the water very quickly and it will be ready soon. Now look at this. Now I will add a coriander leaves. Then almost it made. You can stirring. Now I have put upma in the bowl. It's very nice to see and very yummy also. Now I will put the coriander leaves that I had saved to garnish it. And after that I will put the cashew nuts which I had saved in it. And I will garnish it with this so that it looks very nice as well as taste is even better.